Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Tuesday, August 5th, 2008. Chinese shipbuilder Jiangsu Rongsheng Heavy Industry Group will sell shares worth as much as $2 billion in overseas initial public offering as early as this year. According to their chairman, we've done the necessary preparations so we can go forward with it whenever the market conditions are right. The IPO is a long-term plan for the company. The company is being advised by Goldman Sachs. They signed a $1.6 billion order with Rio de Janeiro-based Vale. The yard CK plans to increase capacity more than fivefold to 8 million deadweight tons in 3 years. And staying with capital markets news, Czech drugmaker Zentiva, which has received a $1.95 billion takeover bid from Sanofi Aventis, said it would welcome other offers. According to Bloomberg News, Zentiva reiterated its position to Sanofi's bid, saying that the offer doesn't reflect the company's true value. The Czech drug maker said their second quarter profit advanced 16% and would have been more without one-time impairment costs on assets in Turkey and Romania. The Prague-based company has lost almost 25% of its market value over the past year following problems with unpaid invoices in Romania and pricing cuts at Czech health insurers. And in more capital markets news, biotechnology company ImClone Systems said that Bristol-Myers Squibb's $60 per share takeover bid was too low. Last week, Bristol-Myers offered to buy out the ImClone shares it does not already own in a deal that values the company at $5.2 billion. Reuters reports that ImClone's board will hire financial advisors to review the proposal, which it currently views as substantially undervaluing the company. And in other capital markets news, a subsidiary of India's Esser Group has agreed to buy Los Angeles-based People Support for $250 million in an all-cash transaction. Aparup Sen Gupta, CEO of Esser-owned Aegis BPO, told reporters in a conference that the combined entity saw revenue of about $500 million, up from the Indian firm annual revenue of about $320 million. People Support, with delivery centers in the Philippines and Costa Rica, will give Aegis access to the Southeast Asian nation, which has attracted Indian firms battling higher wages, expensive property, and a stronger rupee. And that rounds out today's Capital Market Report. Thanks for joining us at EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Capital Markets channel online. Read the full stories and the latest developments.